For your studio, beauty area, vanity room, bathroom, anywhere where you need to hang a mirror and light. We're going to show you what this product is about and open up the box and show you how it's packaged. From Réflexon is a CRI 95 LED with anti-fog, plug-in or hardwire vanity mirror. Opening up the box, as you can see how nicely it's packaged, we're going to pull out the contents. As the top cover comes off, the instruction guide, a hardware kit with anchors and set screws. Taped to the back is your plug-in, your two hanging brackets, the anti-fog area, your main control panel, touch sensitive and dimmable, and Kelvin changes. On the top is a spacer to lay level. In our demonstration purposes, we're placing our mirror over here. After installation is over, please peel all film off. And peeling off, in the center is your on and off and adjustment switch, touch sensitive. Turning the light on is a matter of touching the area that is lit. You have the bright light and will dim down to the lowest level and raise up until let go. To dim down is simply hold and let go. To change the kelvins is a matter of tapping. We have a warm and cool Kelvin change. In the center is the anti-fog area. Each of the light LEDs are made of frosted white plastic covers. They come in white only. The on and off switch is the white LED for night light. The light is off. As you can see, it illuminates for low light. Turn the light on. Remembers where it left off. Long press to brighten up to the full brightness level. Changing the Kelvin again is a simple touch of the light switch. The light accents all around the edges. It is a makeup mirror. Hang in the bathroom, in the studio where you need to have a mirror and light. Your makeup mirror, vanity mirror, plug and play, simple to hang up, very easy to operate and adjust and brighten down to the level you need. It is a 20 by 31.5 mirror with a 3/4 inch depth of glass. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your beauty and bathroom needs. Thank you for viewing.